So here is a method called a transfer from image to paper, where you will take a piece of graphite, a pencil, sometimes people will use chalk. You will flip your image over. So I have this printout. I'm going to transfer this picture of Martin Luther King Jr. onto my paper. Alright, so I have it printed out 4x4 so it fits in my 4x4 square. Turn it over and you're going to cover the back of that image that you want to transfer. You can use a pencil. Some people like to use chalk. You can also use an oil pastel. Then you're going to take your paper, flip it back over, place it over the area where you want to draw your figure. Take a peek underneath and make sure it's mapped out correctly where you want to place it, and then trace. So you can trace the outline of the head, the hairline, here's the ear, come down the cheek and the chin. Let's come down the other side, the other ear, and let's do the facial features. There's an eyebrow, other eyebrow. Let's do the eyes here. And you're just doing the outline. So I'm not filling in these areas. Mustache. Go in with the mouth here. Alright, and when I lift it up, it's transferred onto my paper here. And now I'm just going to go in and draw what I trace. And there's a lot happening here. You can see a lot of the ghost lines that I have because I tried to draw a portrait already, and then I erased it. I'm actually going to switch this up a little bit, and I don't want to do this little body in the style of the illustrator that already did this. Ta-da! So this is a transfer method. Great technique that artists will use. And you can use it to transfer your sketch onto your 4" by 4" cardboard.